Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome back again to this channel. I'm very happy to have you guys back here with me, and I'm hoping you guys are doing well in this pandemic. Right now I'm inside the Mazda CX-5 and just got one issue with this car right now, which is every time when I put the AC on, like so, it is blowing a very warm air. I'm just going to the shop right now just to have it checked. Just going to the professional shop and see what they have to say regarding this issue. Stay tuned. Problem right here, which is wet in this area, so we are going to get the freon removed first. And as you guys can see right here, there's a valve. We are going to replace that too.
Kalau lihat dari selang ini harusnya udah dingin.
Oh ya, dingin. Success. Okay guys, and the result is very good. We have a cool air again blowing from this AC fence. And that is the wrap for today's video, guys. If you guys are new to this channel, please do subscribe to help and support this channel, and give it a like and share this video if you find it useful. And I will see you again on the next video. Peace.